Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you my quick and easy focaccia bread recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this well and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's frothy on top. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, a little less than 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 4 cups of flour. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Then lightly oil the sides of the bowl and the dough. The dough will be a bit sticky. Cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. Then transfer it to a baking pan and flatten it. Cover it and let it rise again for 30 minutes. Then dip your hands in water and start making little dimples. Drizzle some olive oil on top. Add some rosemary leaves, and some cherry tomatoes on top. Bake this in a preheated oven for 15 minutes and turn on the broiler if needed. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.